Uber Suggest tutorial. Hi, Tommy here. So in this tutorial I will show you what this SEO and keyword tool can help you with in your business. You can sign up for free at ubersuggest.com, and you can get a 7-day free trial to access all data. But this site can help you with a lot of things. You can have a keyword overview. You can see difficulty, paid keywords, and where people click and where they not, and research keywords. And you can have traffic analyzer to the traffic to your site, and SEO audit, and also check out backlinks to your site. So here you can see different things you can check with your site. Just put in your domain name to see the SEO performance. You can check out the meta information and site preview. My site's URL here, and then you just click next to see the SEO performance data. Instead you should choose website and where you do business, and then you just click add. And just click on next. You can click on next. For some reason they couldn't fetch the competition data for this website, but because it's pretty new. But you have the meta description here for the site, and here's a preview of my site and what's on the site and so on. But I thought we should go back and take a look at the rest of the menu now. Talking about the free trial, here you can check out the plans and pricing. But anyway, here's the menu. Rank tracking, SEO opportunities is where you can save information that you created and so on. You have site audit and keyword research and backlinks. Let's check out keyword research. You have keyword overview, keyword ideas, keyword visualization, keyword by traffic and similar websites. It's a whole lot you can check out here. You can enter any keyword here to get the traffic volume trends which you wanted that suggests that, but then you just click on search. And here you find different statistics about this keyword. You see here related questions about it, prepositions and comparison. But you also now, as very popular, you can click here to generate content with AI. Blogging here, volume 823,000, and that's the cost for per click and so on. So yeah, and let's check out content ideas. And the content idea is about the keyword I enter, blogging here. Here are several examples of how to create content with that keyword. 15 best cameras for blogging in 2024. Companies blogging. Blogging Birds project and so on. Yeah, so you can get a lot of help with that content tab as well. Keywords by traffic, you can so to say spy on your competition. And let's check out the traffic estimation. You can access traffic overview and the top pages by traffic. Let's go to traffic overview. competitors' domain address and URL, and then you get access to traffic over time. Let's check out top pages by traffic. Here you enter a domain name again and hit search, and then you find the content pieces at the most social shares and Google traffic. So I hope you like this Ubersuggest tutorial. Would you be interested in earning unlimited $100 payments paid instantly to you? Then click the link below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.